yung anime niya. Nakita ko lang kanina, anime daw. Yung Soda Pop. Galing mo. Mukha siyang cartoon. Bagay sa kanya yun, yung mga ganung concept. Huwag kang mag-alala, Justin. Ligtas rin ngayon. Bagay talaga sa'yo yun. I'm trying to be a nice person, you know? I'm trying to self-develop my intrusive thoughts. New York to LA, you've been on my brain like every day. Do you still remember how you said my name when we were still together? Thinking about the journey of the summer, trying to hit the I'm trying to self-develop my intrusive thoughts. Ano natin yan dapat nababawas-bawasan na yung pagiging, anong tawag doon?